Moving up to third place, the 500 milliliter Kambukka Etna Grip is the most versatile in how it lets you drink. Its lid has 3 positions. Press and hold the button for controlled sipping. Leave the opening fully open for desk use or close it for transport. The inner Snapclean piece also comes out in one movement. This gives access to the areas where coffee or milk residue tends to build up, and the lid is dishwasher safe. The body adds a grip band and a non-slip base. Kambukka claims up to 9 hours hot and 18 hours cold, the strongest figure on paper in this comparison. The drawbacks are its taller body, the greater number of lid parts, and the need to hand wash the body. If you simply want to open and close a mug without thinking, there are easier options. It ranks third because it is highly capable and easy to clean, but its main strength is versatility rather than compactness.